JD Cap 26 here, just repairs and hobbies, and we've got this 3D printed skull here. And just peeling some pieces off here of just little hairs and stuff. I'm going to take some black paint with our brush, just go in. We're going to go in about halfway, like that. Gives it a piercing look. Go inside the nose a little bit, like that. Okay. We can open up this canister over here. So far that's what we got. Okay. Put that in the tub. Grab another brush. Put the black to the side. We got some silver here, or gray. And we go in there with this and do the bolt. This screw here. Pretty cool looking, huh? I'm using a two-handed hold to do this with the paintbrush. And then we got these parts right here. We want to do those silver or metallic. It's really a silver metallic, you know. The silver goes a long way once you dip it into the tester's bottle. This is an enamel. This is not acrylic. The black was an acrylic. If I'm in the way, sorry guys. Trying to do this so you can see. Hope everybody out there is doing well in YouTube land. I got that in there. And we got some marks in here, so they're gonna go to a red. And I need another container for that. And put this, I gotta get the acetone out. Clean this brush up. And clean this. Alright. Okay, put that over there. Just for now. Do some work on some bread. You shake your paint up. If you have anything on the top there, just peel it off. Some red there. And we're going to use a finer detail brush. Put that to the side. Got my flu shot yesterday. Hope you get yours. Just a little reminder. Nothing worse than having the flu, during the holidays. Yeah, this guy had the flu and what happened to him? Okay, let's go over to here. Go in there like that. If I'm quiet, I apologize. I'm not ignoring you. I just have to pay attention to what I'm doing. You know, with the 3D printer, you can make your own Halloween decorations. You know, pretty cool. We missed a thing down here. We got to get that. A metal strap we missed. Okay, so I'm done with the red. I think we put one here. One there. That. It says some bruising right here. Let's put this, get that cleaned up. And we're going to go back to the silver again. We missed some parts with the silver. Let's grab them. We got some bolts down here. We missed. Okay. Let your work dry for about a day if you're using enamel, you know, before you really touch the paint part of it. You really want to make sure it's dry. Getting there is tough. Not too hard, but tough. Right in there. Okay, good. And we have to go back and get the acetone out again. Clean the brush. Put it over there. And let's go back to the red. So on the side here, I can add, where was it? Right here. Okay. The quartz. Anything else? Oh, we forgot the silver on that side, guys. You didn't remind me. Let me grab this brush here. You guys are supposed to remind me. Hey, you missed a spot. Type it in. See that right there? Okay. I'm going to have to add some more black in the eye sockets. Pretty sure of that. Right in here. That. Down here. That's a lot better. Okay, now I gotta take a little water, some water in here, and take this brush, clean it, put it on the brush, put it in the water, and you're making a wash, okay? Sorry, guys. Okay. Made a little wash out of that. A wash will go a long way on your brush. It'll go a long way. Okay. I'm going around the teeth with the wash. Okay, so let's clean that brush up. And this is the regular black paint. You can let these dry, these containers, and they'll peel right out. Let's get some white in here. Just need a little bit of white. So we used red, black, and white so far, guys. Clean your brush. And made a boo-boo, so let's clean up the boo-boos. Where, see, it's not no big deal. You get a little black on the part where you didn't want it. It's no big deal, you know. Okay. Look around. That's good. Okay, now let's put this in the tank there. And we want sort of a bluish. This is kind of a bluish. I can get any out of there. There we go. This color is a pale blue. So I took a pale blue, take the big brush, squeeze the water out of it, dab it like that. Okay. Remember to seal your paint afterwards. You can use Pledge in an airbrush. You can use regular sealer from a, like spray gunner style sealer. And I think he's pretty well done. So I enjoyed doing this model. The model itself took about 9 hours to do. As far as the print, about 8 hours. But you enjoy painting it afterwards. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you every day. And we'll see you in the next video. Rate and give the thumbs up and subscribe.